kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Purple color. A for aeroplane. A for avocado. B for banana. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for candy. D for dog. D for donut. E for egg. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fruits. G for girl. G for God. Light green color. H for hand. H for house. I for eyes. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for joker. K for king. K for kite. L for lime. L for lemon. M for mosquito. M for mango. N for nose. N for nest. Sky blue color. O for owl. O for orange. P for piano. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for quiz. R for ring. R for red. S for sister. S for star. T for tomato. T for tower. T for toast. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Orange color. V for village. V for vegetable. W for water. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about purple color, light green color, light blue color, and orange color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.